In this video, I'll show you how to install Actions and Stuff 1.4 for Minecraft Bedrock. First, log into your Microsoft account and open the game. Head over to the marketplace, and if you don't see Actions and Stuff 1.4 listed, use the search bar at the top to search for it. Once it appears, tap on it. Just a heads up, this pack is no longer free as it used to be. You'll need to purchase it. After buying, tap the download button at the top right and wait for it to install. Once it's done, click Activate Texture Pack. Then go to My Packs, select Actions and Stuff, and tap Activate. Under the Active section, you'll see it listed, and from here, you can also deactivate it anytime. Finally, return to the main menu, and you'll notice the changes applied. You can now launch your world and enjoy the updated visuals. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tutorials.